Push your heel all the way back. All the way back. Yeah, the back of your foot should be touching the wall. Good job. There you go. Put your head straight up. You got it. Don't look down. Don't look down. Look straight. Straight ahead. Okay. All right. 1, 2, 3. Right there, about 3 inches. When you push the hair down, it comes right about 3 feet. All right, you can move. Right, thank you.
Wow, look how much you've done already.
You went from here to about another half. 1, 2, 2.5 inches.
Wow.
2.5 inches, buddy. That's awesome. Good job. Almost. Thank you, baby girl. Thank you. Thank you, buddy.
Hey guys, there's not a gift in
It's from Elias too.
Whoa!
Thank you, princess.
Come with shoes. Nice in there. You got shoes. You got some kinds of shoes. And what else is in there?
Wow, this is nice. Actually, I like this.
I didn't see the other one.
Yeah, I got some tea. Fancy looking. Thank you.
So today's Father's Day, and we finally got out of the house. I wasn't sure if it was gonna happen today, but we ventured out. Hey guys, there's the father.
Hey, ventured out.
We're just taking a drive just to get out of the house. It's a very hot and humid day. This would be like perfect beach weather. We're getting some sun and fresh air and just kind of getting out just because. I will check back in later. Say hi, guys. They're all the way back there. I feel like they're so far away. Oh, by the way, if you didn't notice, I am sitting in the front seat again. It's been some time. I kind of just wanted to stay close to Elias, especially when he first got here, because, you know, he's really tiny and his neck was wobbly, and so I just like to just watch him like a hawk when we're driving. And it's taken me a while to feel comfortable like leaving him, but he's in the middle section and the kids are all the way in the back. We do not drive a van because I just didn't want a minivan. This is an SUV, and as you can see, everybody's nice and comfortable. So just in case you were wondering why I'm sitting in a different spot, is I'm sitting up front with this guy today. So.
All right, guys, we are wrapping up this Father's Day. It's this beautiful sunset here on Anna Maria Island on the Gulf Coast. So we're just kind of sitting down in the car, relaxing, taking in the sights. The kids went out and grabbed some seashells. Elias got topped off and had a little bit of milk. So now we're just wrapping things up. It's been a very awesome day, very awesome Father's Day. I think one of the best that I've had. Yeah. Thank you, babes. Thank you guys. Thank you, everyone.
straw in the back.
Okay, I'll pull it out for you later after we do our activities. Good job. Did your baby have a good night's sleep?
Yeah. I was about to cry,
Yeah?
but the dog keep crying. I just want the milk. Not the milk, please.
Okay, baby. I'll give your mom some milk for you.
Oh.
Here. 21.
Then some bread milk. Some bread milk.
Some breast milk?
Yeah.
Okay. Well, you have to get it from your mom at Giselle, not from me.
Let's
50! Woohoo! Ooh, ooh, ooh. Let me give you a happy face. Ooh, ooh, ooh.
And it's still way more numbers. And it's in this way to 1 to 30. He is good.
Yeah. Yay, good job.
He is good.
Good job. You gonna get yours? Okay. Can you find the dog-eared page?
Get into the world first.
Psalm 107. Let's see. Oh, there we are, right there. Can you read it?
The thing too, Lord. For he is good. His government endures forever.
Good job. Done. We got our number 5. I'm super late on this, but we finally did it this month. Supposed to do it on the 17th, and today's the 23rd. Not too bad, but definitely not when I wanted to do it. But this is what the picture's supposed to look like. You need to lay down. You need to lay down.
You can't see yourself in that.
You what?
I see programmer. I see programmer right here. You see that programmer? Where's the programmer?
Say hi.
Hi.
Hi, Elias. You at the beach? You got your own umbrella? Can I come under your umbrella? Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Can you say hi?
Right off. Huh?
Say hello.
Hey, what's up?
Venturing out today.
Yeah, we're trying to do a little beach morning. I took off on Monday morning hoping that everybody else would be at work, but you know, we got those vacationers out here still.
But it's not too crowded, and we have plenty of space like around us. It's good for social distancing.
Yeah, it's definitely good.
Hi. Yeah. Keeping Elias cool with these baby wipes here. And we just took a dip, so his shirt is wet, so that's keeping him cool too. And he's shaded inside of this old car seat. This is a car seat we had for the kids. We used it for both the kids, and then we couldn't use it anymore, so glad it's still coming in handy. Yeah. It's a really nice day. I'm so glad we came. It's not crowded, so plenty of space. We're pretty much the only ones in our area.
Yeah, we got about a good 50 feet.
Good 50 feet, yeah.
Yeah, at least between.
Good 50 feet, yep. Okay, got the 30th circle, so now I'll just go ahead and update your board. Say hi.
Hi.
So today is, what day is today actually? Circle the 30th. Now what's the weekday? Tuesday. Very good. So today is
June 30.
and it's a
Tuesday.
So go ahead and update your board. So I started Elias in this XOXO maybe last month. Was it last month? Well, yeah, I think he was still in his 4th month and he was still a little wobbly, but today, and he's 5 months old, he is actually standing up in this and doing a pretty good job, I would say. Great, so today you are going to do the letter V. Say V.
V.
V for
Car.
van.
Van.
V for
Vegetable.
vegetables. And then you're going to do,
What?
what letters is good?
What?
W.
W.
Good job. Good
What?
girl.
What? Wheel. Wheel.
Very good. Good job. Now follow all the pink lines. So go down, down, just like you just did.
Down, down, down.
Good
This
job.
one?
Do this one first. Good job. All right, so are you finished?
Yes.
Okay, so go ahead, read the top of the board for me.
June 30th, 2020.
Yes.
Today, Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday.
Good.
And tomorrow will be Wednesday.
Very good. What season are we in?
Summer.
Good. What's the temperature?
Warm.
And you say you think it's
Cloudy.
cloudy? Okay, good. Now we can remove the Father's Day magnet because that is well behind us. So you can put it back. There you go. Perfect. Great job. Great job. Okay, good. Let's flip it over. Ker-Leen and I just did this activity where we used these National Geographic cards, which has classifications of omnivore, carnivore, and can you flip over an herbivore? Oh, we got one. And herbivores. And we used the National Geographic website for kids. Had all of these flipped over and I read off clues to him. And it was his job to determine which one I was reading about. So I would tell him this is a carnivore or this is an herbivore. And this is their habitat. This is what they do. This is what they look like. And he would find what I was talking about. And he did pretty well. And there were some that were very similar.
And the hippo.
And
the water buffalo.
yeah, they're similar.
The herbivore too.
Now, what two carnivores were similar in how they look? Yeah. The leopard and the cheetah, yeah. So that was a nice fun activity. I cannot remember where I got, you know what? These came from the Dollar Tree a long time ago, when probably like 3-4 years ago. But I'm sure you can find something like these online somewhere. And if I can find them, I'll link them since I am talking. What time it is? What time is it?
Vitamin time.
I get these from Target and the kids love them. They don't have too much sugar in them. And they have pretty much everything your child needs to get through the day. I give both of them 2, even though, let me see, I think I'm supposed to give Elle 1, but she just turned 3. So what's the serving size? So for 4 and up, you do 2. For 2 to 3, you do 1, but I give both of them 2. I figure it'll just come out of her system when she uses the bathroom, whatever she doesn't end up using. So yes, vitamin time. Just realized I never popped in to say hey, but hey guys, it has been a crazy morning. It is just another typical morning for us. Daddy usually works from home, but he is at the dentist's office getting some dental work done. He's been working on his smile for a while. So he's at the dentist's office doing the next phase of his treatment plan. But yeah, just home with the kids. Say hi. Say hi. Say hi. Is that you? Are you looking at yourself? Is that you? Is that you? Let me show you guys what I got. I just got an Amazon package. So I got 3 of these, not on my watch, detangling therapy bottles. They were $5.99 on Amazon, which is the cheapest that I found them. So hubby wanted us to stock up. So I got 3 of those. That's what I use on the kids' hair, my hair, and hubby wants to start using it on his hair. I also got these stackable drawers, and I just wiped everything down so they look a little foggy. But these are some stackable drawers that I hope to use for my makeup. I'm gonna wipe them again to kind of shine them up, but I just disinfected them so they're a little hazy looking. But I got 3 of those. And then I got these 2 little brushes. I didn't realize they were gonna be glitter because I was hoping to use one for Elle and one for Elin, but they're really glittery. So probably just gonna use these for Elle and end up getting Elin a brush of his own. I also need to get Elias a small comb. I also got Elin some Crocs. We got some Crocs in the mail for Elle the other day, and I did order for both of them at the same time, but hers fit and Elin's were too big. I ordered the wrong size. This is my first go around at having a bigger kid. So I ordered a size 1 in little kids, but I was supposed to order a size 11. And the way the seller had the sizes listed, they had the size 1 after the size 10, and he no longer fits a size 10. So naturally I thought, okay, I need to buy the size 1. So my bad. What I should have done was measured his foot so I could make sure I got the right size. I basically ordered these same 2 things for him in the wrong size, but we're gonna keep them because he'll grow into them eventually. So then I went ahead and ordered them in the right size. So I got him some Crocs because we've been needing some. I also got these Pumas for Elin, and these are just some all black Pumas. They look like they have laces, but these are just some elastic. These are just some basic slip-on all black sneakers. They were pretty inexpensive, so I will link everything down below in case you guys are interested. But I ordered the same 2 pairs of shoes in the wrong size, so I basically ordered them again, and he has these same exact things. Well, the other Crocs were dark gray, but he basically has the same exact thing for when he gets to be that size. You can tell this is my first time doing this.
I was excited to open it.
You excited?
Yeah.
Elin loves the brand Puma. Like, he loves it. He's obsessed. How do you feel? Do you like them?
Yes.
Okay. Don't cry. I gotta make lunch for your brother and sister, okay? Can you let me do that? Yeah? Okay. So I am making the kids some shoestring fries for lunch, and they're gonna have some fruit with it. I'm also gonna make them a smoothie in just a second here. Fries done. Today's July 1st, 2020, and Elias is 5 months old. He turned 5 months on the 17th of June, and of course he'll be 6 months on the 17th of July. So he's about halfway through his 5th month, and he's doing really, really well. I started Elle at 5 months, and I think I started Elin at around 6 months. So he rests right in the middle because I think I started Elle as soon as she turned around 5 months. So he's right in the middle of the 2 of them, development-wise. It's really interesting to see how different they develop. And this XOXO we've been using for all 3 babies, and it's served us very, very well. I did a whole video on it and everything. So yeah, this is Elias. Look at those little feet. Look at those feeties.
With the bear.
The bear.
The morning air
Look
is
that bear.
warm and bright. There's out of his skin.
Thank you. It's one piece.
It's an.
I will put some more.
Hi.
Hi.
What are you guys doing?
We're making a picnic.
You having a picnic under the table?
Yes, yeah. This is where we have a picnic.
All right.
Hello.
So on this side, you're going to tell me which one you think is heavier than the other. So this top part asks us, can you read that for me?
Circle the object you think is the
The G is silent. Lightest. Very good. Good job. Looking at these 1, 2, 3, 4 pictures, which one you think is the lightest of all 4?
mug.
A mug is the lightest? Why do you say that? Why do you think a mug is the lightest? So we have a watering can. This is a pitcher. So we put water in here. We put water in here. This is a chair, and this is a feather.
Yeah.
You think the feather's the lightest? Yeah. Okay, good. You know how sometimes you guys find feathers from the pillows on the floor? They're super light. So yeah, you're right.
Circle the object you think it is the heaviest.
Very good. Yeah. That's my guy. He's reading. Which one do you think is heavy? It weighs the most. It's super heavy.
The bicycle.
The bicycle. Very good. Very good. Good job. Nice. Okay, so now this side is why we have the mug, the bowl, we have a lime, and we have a pillow. Circle the lighter object in each pair below. Find similar items around your home and hold them in your hands to help. So this first pair, a pair means two things. So this first pair shows you what? This is a
mug.
And this is a
lime.
So grab your mug. So which one feels the lightest? Which one feels lighter?
The lime.
The lime. Good job. So that's the one we're going to circle. So go ahead and circle the lime. And this is 9.
2.
And this is
20.
20. Good. So let's do it again. Go. Say.
One.
Where's 14? Can you find 14? Where's 14? Good. Good job. All right. Can you put 10 where it belongs?
Yeah.
Where does 10 go? Good. Elan's got 9, 8. What number is this, L?
7.
7. Good job.
7.
We got 6. We got 5. We got 4. What number is this, L?
3.
3. Where's 3? Good. Put it down. Good job. 2.
2.
Put 2 down. And what number goes here?
1.
1. Good. Flip it over. There you go. All right, let's start from 11. Go. 11.
12. 13. 14. 15. 15.
It has a number 6. So this is
16.
good. What about this one? Next.
17.
17. Good job. Next one.
18.
Yes. Good.
19.
Good job.
20.
Woohoo!
Ooh.
Okay, go ahead. You can tell me those one too. Which one? What is that?
Plus,
And next one?
minus,
Good. And next one?
equal,
Equals. Good job.
and underneath.
Hi, nice. Hey, Tickly. Hey, Tickly.